Alright guys, so we had a situation here at the shop. We did not have a scanner for reading codes, deleting codes, all of that, including diagnostic. So the guys over at Launch sent us over this OBD2 scanner, and this thing does a little bit of everything: ABS and SRS diagnostic, actuation test, meaning you can command things to come on and off, just like, you know, a diagnostic tool at the dealer. And so this thing is freaking perfect. And here's the deal with these things, guys. A lot of times when you go to buy them off a tool truck or something like that, these things are ridiculously expensive. But let you check this thing out. As in order to use this thing is super simple to use. Nothing to it. Just turn the key on. Look at there. Scan it for codes. This thing will do anything 96 to newer with OBD2. Look at that, tells you everything about it. And of course, you can just hit the DTC button, goes right to reading codes. Let's see, so let's read codes. Insufficient coolant temperature sensor for closed loop fuel control. So it's a PO125. So we're not going to delete this code, obviously, because we're going to do a little further diagnostic in it, but you can do just about anything, including turning off some difficult to use oil reset lights, maintenance lights, stuff like that. So super cool, guys. The Matco actually sells this brand, Launch. Top quality. You can get it for $100 on Amazon. I've got the link in the description. Make sure you check it out. This thing is an invaluable tool to have around. All right, boys, here we go. We are back on Pop's car, and as you can see, guys, we took a little bit of a break from it. We've been going extremely hard and heavy on this car, and we got a lot of things kind of at work here. We had a major draw, which we're pretty sure is the ignition switch. Killed the battery like in a matter of a few hours, so it's a really hard draw, but do have the correct battery tray in it, and I even got the spiffy correct coolant cap, oil cap. I mean, guys, it's really getting there. But believe it or not, boys, she runs and drives, and that's what we're gonna do today. I've got the seat in it, just held on by one bolt, or excuse me, two bolts up front there. But it actually runs and drives, and for the first time we're gonna get this thing out and just see, you know, how the motor runs, how the transmission shifts. Is the rear end gonna give us a lot of fits? I don't know, but we're gonna find that out today. All right, we're gonna stick this other seat in and see how she does down the road. The official first drive.
That's right.
Right? See what it'll actually do. See if I gotta buy a motor and rear end too. Or at least in the next few months. Man, these seats came out so good. Guys, if you didn't see the video where we cleaned all this upholstery up, it's freaking amazing. And yes, carpet is on the way. Sarah? Sarah, you're the YouTuber in training, right? Yeah. You've got your own YouTube channel? Not yet. Not yet? Still working on it?
Yeah, I'm still trying to figure out what I want to do.
Okay. So, y'all welcome Sarah to the channel. It's got a lot of power.
For me, I get power.
Yeah.
That's my daddy. Everybody comes to Germany and he's always driving the Mustang like he
Yeah. Feels like it's got good power. It's hard to hear because there's no carpet in the car or anything, but truthfully, it feels really good. decent, brakes feel decent. It's got good power. Alright guys, I'm gonna try to downshift here a little bit. Bear in mind again, y'all, I have not been able to drive this car more than 10 feet since we bought it. And I'm not gonna lie, there's a lot of time and money already spent on this car, so getting to drive it, very rewarding.
Yeah, now back to the road.
Let's see how good she takes off here. Not bad. We lost the middle to our dash though. I think it'll be okay. Let's see. Yeah, we lost the middle of our dash. Oh well. Guys, I'm staying real close to the house here. I'm not wanting to get out too far because I don't know what it's going to do. But, I mean, so far so good. It drives great.
Yeah.
We haven't adjusted the timing or anything, which that needs to get done. All of a sudden the tach started actually moving. Wouldn't do anything before. Woo! A little low.
That didn't sound good.
I think it was the exhaust hitting. Not bad. Not bad. Alright. We'll just leave it here.
I can't find the screw.
Alright boys, playtime is over. It's time to get the dash out. Sarah, you gonna get the dash out?
Find the screw.
You gotta stick it
Where's the screw
all
go?
the way up in there. It's up way in there.
There.
There, right there.
Yep, it's way up in there.
There you
Sarah's
go.
gonna pull the dash out and we're gonna kick back and relax. No, I'm just kidding. All right, boys. So this is definitely a first. We've never pulled just the plastics off, but it's actually kind of cool because you still got the frame, all the wiring, ducting, and everything.
We gonna fly over here?
So yeah, got that mess out. Fun times.
I thought it would be in there.
And I was thinking it may have had a heater core at one time. I'm not really sure that it did. Hard to say. What kind of mess we got over here?
Yeah, the stud's broke. It touches this bracket.
Oh, great.
Touches this bracket. We're going to change that bracket. Wheel, Dad. I can wheel this back up.
Fabulous. More good news. Yeah, guys. So here is the. Pull this out from away from the fan so you can actually hear what we're doing here. But yeah, this is why it came out. See all the holes, and obviously it's black.
And then we also have to find that cover now.
But really, guys, all we got to do is just take these screws out and replace that on the replacement dash. We'll be good to go. Actually, not a bad way to do it. And then throw that in the scrap heap. All right, guys, so that's gonna wrap it up for today. We're gonna pull some parts out. I'll actually walk you around here and show you what we're working with. But when we got back from the drive, the donated radiator was steaming a little bit. So we can't catch a break. Not that we, you know, not that it's a big deal, but it is what it is. But yeah, guys, it's push this up. There she goes. Yeah, we got keep the battery disconnected. We're gonna go ahead and replace that ignition switch while we've got it, got everything apart. What a job.
Yeah, this ain't got no damn vent in it either.
The center vent's gone. Yeah, we figure something out. But yeah, I didn't even notice this car was maroon.
Yeah, sure was.
But yeah, I mean, the console's decent, somewhat. It's better than what's in it.
Yeah, we're gonna have to pull all that out to get the dash out.
Yeah, I'm a pro at it now. But yeah, y'all, this'll be it right here. Drag this around. Next time you see us, we're gonna drag this around and recycle some of this. Should be fun. Always fun. So there you go, guys. Catch us for whatever. I don't even know what part this will be. We're just gonna be doing continuations. So that'll be about that. But oh, I didn't even show off your latest score. Has it got a motor in it?
Yeah, part of one.
What year is this one?
72.
Oh yeah, last year for it. There it is.
It's got a good bed. I bought it for the bed. It's got a better bed than my other one. The hood's really good.
Sweet.
I'm gonna take the best all I got.
Oh yeah.
Kill the other one.
It looks pretty solid. I mean, it's got a few spots, but shoot, they all do. Oh, these trucks are so cool. Very cool.
Yeah, my bed's a little rustier in this one.
Yeah.
I'm gonna use this bed.
Yeah, this bed is solid. Metal. All right, guys, so that's what's up. Lots coming. So just keep it tuned for next time, and we'll see you then. Later.